Hello, today we will guide you through how to schedule a Zoom meeting directly in Outlook. To begin, open Outlook in your browser and make sure you're on the Mail page. This is the starting point for the process, and from here you'll switch over to the calendar so you can create a meeting invite. If Outlook opens somewhere else, just return to Mail first so your screen matches the workflow. Once you're in Outlook Mail, move to the top left area of the screen and click the calendar icon. This takes you out of your inbox and into your calendar view, where you can create and manage events. If you use Outlook regularly, this is the same place where you would normally schedule appointments or meetings. After the calendar opens, click New Event. This starts the process of creating a fresh calendar entry. Outlook may show different meeting options depending on your setup, but for this walkthrough, you'll continue by choosing the standard event creation path. Next, click Event. This opens the event form where your meeting details will be added. At this point, you would typically enter the title, date, time, and any attendees, although the key focus here is adding Zoom directly from within Outlook. It's a helpful integration because it saves time and keeps everything in one place. With the event window open, look for the Apps option and click it. This area lets you add connected tools and extensions to your Outlook event. If your organization or account has Zoom enabled, you should see it listed here as one of the available apps. Now click Zoom. Selecting Zoom opens the Zoom integration options for this calendar event. This is what allows Outlook to generate a Zoom meeting link directly inside the invite, instead of requiring you to create the meeting separately in another tab. Then click Add a Zoom meeting. Once you do that, Outlook will insert the Zoom meeting information into the event. This usually includes the meeting link and related joining details, making it easy for participants to access the meeting straight from the calendar invitation. At this stage, your Zoom meeting has been added successfully within Outlook. Before sending the invite, it's always a good idea to quickly review the event details to make sure the date, time, and participants are correct. That way your meeting is ready to go and everyone receives the right information. And that's how to schedule a Zoom meeting directly in Outlook.